and welcome back, or maybe I should welcome myself back because I'm literally uploading after months. So during the lockdown I learned so many new recipes and cooking was like my favorite pastime, and I experimented so much with my food, and that is exactly what today's video is about. So today I'm going to show you a few recipes that you can try out with very simple basic ingredients that you can easily find at home. I'll be sharing 4 very easy snack recipes, so I think let's just begin. So the first recipe that I have for you is called the vada pav sandwich. Now during the lockdown I was making vada pav a lot, but then I realized that it is very unhealthy. So this is like a lighter edition of an actual vada pav, but it tastes just like a real one. So I'll start off by putting some oil. Now I'm adding some ginger, garlic and chili paste. Add some boiled potatoes and mix it for some time. Add salt according to your taste. Some haldi for color. Now this is optional. Chili powder, amchur powder, coriander powder, in the end I'm adding some curry leaves for the flavor. Now the filling is done. I'm just going to toast the sandwich in the sandwich maker. After adding some cheese, and yes, with this the sandwich is ready and you'll get all the taste and tanginess of an actual vada pav. Okay, so the next recipe that I have for you are soya nuggets. So for this, I'm just going to boil the soya chunks, and I'm also adding some salt. Now that it is done, we'll keep it aside for some time. Now take a separate bowl and add 2 spoons of besan or gram flour, some salt, turmeric, oregano, basil, some chili powder, and in the end add some water. Now mix it up to create a thick paste, and then add your boiled soya chunks in it. Let it soak for at least 3 to 4 minutes, and now fry it. With this, your soya nuggets are ready to be served. The next recipe that you can try out are macaroni chips. Now for this, just boil some macaroni, add water, oil, salt. Now let it boil properly for at least 8 to 10 minutes. And once it looks like this, it is done. Now strain the macaroni into a separate container. And now I am adding 2 spoons of corn flour, separate bowl, add chili powder, amchur powder, black salt, ginger powder. Mix it all together. Now just fry the macaroni. Once it is done, you can add all the spices that we prepared earlier. And with this, our macaroni chips are ready. The last recipe for today and also my favorite is the veggies dosa. For this, I am adding 2 boiled potatoes in a mixer jar, 1 tomato, some green chilies, add a spoonful of jeera or cumin seeds, some salt according to your taste. So you can also add some other vegetables like peas and carrots, etc. But I'm just a fan of potatoes in general, so I don't like to have a lot of other vegetables. And for me this is the perfect combination, but if you like a lot of other vegetables, you can definitely add them. Now grind the mixture, and now I'm going to add the vegetable mixture in the normal dosa batter. Add some salt, and mix it in the end. Don't forget to add some curry leaves, it is very important. And in the end, take your mom's help to make the perfect dosas. Or congratulations to you if you're good at it, because I am still learning. So this was it for today's video. Let me know which recipe did you like the most, and also in case you try out any of these recipes, don't forget to share a picture with me on my Instagram. Until then, I'll see you next time. So chalo, bye bye.